Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to yet another exciting video. This video is going to be super exciting because it is the reveal of what we all have been waiting for. Unless you smartasses actually went on Myntra and typed in the names of the tops that we've been looking at and checked it out. I hope not, because I did not. Despite the temptation, I did not go to Myntra and check it out. So I am super excited to see what are the pieces that we got. And also I'm very stoked about this month because we have our 1 year anniversary coming up. Oh my god, I cannot even believe our 1 year anniversary is just around the corner and I'm still here making content and enjoying every single bit of it. So thank you so much for all of your love and support, and please keep supporting me and always hit the like button and share my videos with all of your friends and families. Because our 1 year anniversary is just around the corner, there is going to be a massive giveaway in the next video. So मैं next video में बताने वाली हूँ giveaway के rules क्या है और कैसे आप उस giveaway में enter कर सकते हो और participate कर सकते हो. So make sure that you check that video out. And before we get into this video, if you're watching me for the very first time, then hi, hello, my name is Riddhi and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, DIY and many more every single week. So if you like watching such content here on YouTube, then please take a moment and hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon right next to it so that whenever I upload a video, you get notified. And without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Okay, so let's start with the video, and we have all of our 7 tops here wrapped in these packages and I'm super excited to open this. So let's open it one by one. I'm feeling something very small or delicate in this one, I'm not sure, so let's see. Okay, so remember the leopard print or the tiger print that we thought कि कोई different color में आएगा, but okay, so this is how it looks. So ये एक leopard या tiger print वाला top है, which we were expecting, or at least I was expecting कि कुछ fun colors में हो, या I was actually hoping कि थोड़े fun colors में हो. लेकिन nonetheless it is a very basic color but which looks very classic and chic, don't get me wrong, but यार मतलब grey tone से थोड़ा shopping करना is a little difficult, but it was fun though. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that video. If you haven't, then make sure that you watch that video before you see the reveal video, because then what's the fun, right? So yeah, so ये ऐसा है. I'm not sure about the neckline because ये V neckline तो है लेकिन थोड़ा wonky लग रहा है मुझे यहाँ से, तो because I'm a fashion designer, so I need to keep checking on such minute details or all those like stitching details. तो यहाँ पे stitching जो main area है, like the main focal area, वहाँ पे they've actually messed it up. So I'm a little bummed about that. I might return or exchange this one because I like the print, but I was also not expecting the fabric to be this. I was expecting it to be a knit या cotton वाला थोड़ा stretchy material वाला fabric, लेकिन okay, it's a very polyester fabric. Summers के लिए this is very nice. And what I'm liking the most in this crop top is that they have this 2 little darts here, so it is going to help in cinch in my waist when I wear this crop top. And again, the sleeves are also puffed and it has some cuffs here which end at the midway, so which is nice. Overall I like this. I'm hoping that this looks good on me, so let's just insert a clip and see कि कैसा दिख रहा है while I wear this. So पहनने पे ही पता चलेगा कि exactly कैसा है ये, तो yeah, I hope it looks good on me.
The top here looks super good, not gonna lie, लेकिन सिर्फ दूर से. I mean the length is fine, but it was very difficult to get into it, trust me. Also the sleeve cuffs are a little tight. The neckline is a little wonky and the puffs kept falling flat. I mean that's because of the packaging, I'm sure, but nonetheless I returned it. Oh, it also has a zip on the sides, so be careful while slipping into it.
Moving on to the second product, we have another sleek little package that we're gonna open. So I don't remember ordering this. Let me just open it and see. Oh, okay. So this is the second A-line top I think that we've ordered. So this is how it looks. Remember मैंने बोला था कि योक पे वो pleats होंगे या stitch line होगा. So I wasn't wrong about it. Pleats तो नहीं है लेकिन stitch line ज़रूर है. You guys can see. So yeah. And the embroidery is really nice. I mean the color combination is also nice. I like it. जैसे मैंने सोचा था कि काफ़ी subtle है और fabric बहुत breathable होगा. तो yes. The fabric is very breathable. I feel I like it. Like it's a little see-through. Like अभी कैमरा पे तो नहीं दिख रहा है. Once I wear it, हमें actually पता चलेगा कि ये कितना see-through है. लेकिन nonetheless, I like the top. I like the fact that it has gathers here around the waist or the empire line. And जब भी you feel bloated or whenever you eat a lot and you know what I'm talking about, but then you get that tummy, so you can wear such tops and it is going to help you out.
Alright, so the muted greige tone on this outfit is really nice. I am liking it, and I am also stoked to see that the yoke has stitch lines onto it and the embroidery is really nice. I like it overall. And the outfit is super breathable and airy, as I mentioned earlier, and it is very comfortable and it is not that see-through जितना हमने सोचा था. तो ये to that. So overall a good outfit to wear and have.
There's something very satisfying of ripping the packaging. But okay, I see some. Is दो packaging है? Okay. It's folded in a very weird manner. So this is how it looks. Oh my god, they literally folded it like this. Oh my god, I hope they did not destroy the product. This is my mango wala top that we've been... I know it because we only ordered one mango top and it says mango right there. Look at it, मतलब mango का packaging इतना बुरा आएगा. I did not expect because ये mango, like ये पूरे हॉल में सबसे महंगा item यही है. It looks way too big. Even for me, I feel like it's way too big. What do you guys think? Like, I like the neckline because it is plunging. Wait, let me just untie this and see. Now that I've given it a little structure, I don't think so it made a massive difference or anything like that. But, ठीक ही है मतलब. Again, the fabric is very... It's very... I don't know how to describe this fabric also. It's like... For a 2000 rupees का top, I don't think so it is worth it. Like, अभी मुझे याद नहीं कि मैंने सेल पे इसको कितने का खरीदा था, लेकिन इसकी प्राइस टैग पे definitely says 2390 rupees for such flimsy material. So yeah, I don't know why is it so expensive and then they give us ऐसा fabric, but I'm a little bummed about that. To be very honest, I am very bummed about that. And then but I hope ये पहनने पे अच्छा लगे और ये सी थ्रू ना हो पहनने पे यार, because then what's the point? Because अभी भी मैं इसमें देख रही हूँ ना काफी ज्यादा सी थ्रू है ये. Let me just quickly throw on this and then we'll see कि ये मुझ पर कैसा लग रहा है.
Okay, the fact that it looked big is funny to me because you have to actually stretch the drawstring and style it according to your body shape. Lol. A classic example of why we should not judge a book by its cover, or in this case, not judge the outfit by its packaging. I really like the neckline and sleeves too. You can style it in many ways. Not gonna lie, it does look like a garbage bag when light reflects off of it. But when styled well, it can turn heads for sure.
So moving on to the fourth package, we have black again. Every outfit is black. How did they manage to buy so many blacks? I mean, I'm not a black person to be very honest. No offense to all of you guys जिनको black बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है. It's not that I don't like black, लेकिन I'm not a black person कि मैं हर event पे या हर occasion पे black पहन लूँ. I'm a very colorful or cheerful person, so I like to wear and experiment with colors. So I am a little sad कि ये जो मुझे embroidery वाला कुर्ता चाहिए था वो भी black में आया है, लेकिन black में आया तो आया, लेकिन I like the contrast and the embroidery and the wow. I really like the quality of the embroidery done on the yoke. Oh my god guys, just look at it. ये बहुत अच्छा है यार, काफी अच्छा है ये. Again the fabric is a little see-through. It's more like a poplin cotton types, but I think मैं इसके अंदर एक black color का camisole या कुछ पहन लूंगी तो भी ये बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. And again, see, remember I was talking about an arrow neckline that I still don't know what it's called. So yeah, and let's give some attention to the sleeves, but the sleeves are very basic and it's a 3/4 sleeve. So let me just put this on and we'll see how it looks on me.
Big fan of the neckline here. Sits super well, and the embroidery is screaming beautiful. Yes, the garment is sheer or see-through, and it reminds me of a good chicken curry kurta. You do you and decide if you want to wear a camisole under or not, or how you want to style it. But definitely get this as it is super comfortable and looks super chic and trendy.
So I really like. Oops. Okay. So as I was saying, I really like unboxing things with you guys. And just when I was talking about opening so many black packaging or black outfits, I received a white outfit. So let me just. It's sealed very nicely, is what I would like to say, because it's a white. My hands feel though. Yeah. As I was saying, it was sealed very nicely because it's a white outfit or white garment. So yeah, oh, the quality also feels really nice. It is very cushiony types, and the good part is कि इन सारे कपड़ों में से सिर्फ इस ए लाइन कुर्ती और शॉर्ट कुर्ती ए लाइन टॉप में वी आर गेटिंग दिस एक्स्ट्रा बटन. तो ये एक्चुअली एक फैब्रिक बटन है, यहाँ पे जो डिटेलिंग्स दिया है तो उसके लिए आई थिंक दे गिव अस एन एक्स्ट्रा बटन विच इज वेरी नाइस, विच आई लाइक, विच आई अप्रिशिएट. एंड आई वाज सुपर स्टोक्ड कि इसका जो लेस डिटेलिंग जो दिया है वो फ्रंट और बैक में दिया है. एंड रिमेंबर आई वाज टेलिंग यू कि बिकॉज इसमें लेस दिया है तो लाइनिंग जरूर दिया होगा. सो आई वाजंट रॉन्ग, यहाँ पे लाइनिंग दिया है बट आई वाजंट श्योर अबाउट द कलर. लेकिन नाउ लुकिंग एट द कलर एंड द फैब्रिक एंड द डेलिकेसी ऑफ दिस फैब्रिक, ओ माई गॉड, आई एम लविंग इट. लाइक इट लुक्स सुपर डेलिकेट. सो लेट्स सी पहनने पे ये कैसा लग रहा है मुझ पे एंड हाउ कैन आई स्टाइल दिस. सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू सी हाउ आई कैन स्टाइल दीज.
Oh my god, you guys, how beautiful is this? I did not expect its quality to be this good. Right from the fabric to its fit, everything screams comfort and pretty. I love the sleeves as well, and the detailing of the buttons and the cuff is the perfect length. And it just sits right on me. I can't believe we got so lucky with this one. Definitely a must buy.
Moving on to the sixth package here, let's see what we have in this one. So let me just open and see. It's a hot pink color. What did I order in pink color? Well, this is refreshing to see some color, like some pop of color that I've been hoping कि मेरे पूरे हॉल में कुछ तो कलरफुल या कुछ तो वियर्ड से गारमेंट्स होंगे या टॉप्स होंगे. लेकिन nonetheless, oh my god, the fabric is really nice. It's like crinkled fabric with lining. So I like that. It is the puffy. The sleeves are massive on this one, yeah. Okay, so this is how it looks. Yeah, I like it. I mean, this is how it looks. And I like that the puffiness ka reason is not gathers or those elastics. It's actually pleats. So I like that. So I hope that it's not going to be uncomfortable or to sit on our shoulder. So yet with that, and then elastic is at the back and a little, no, I don't think so. आगे है, नहीं आगे नहीं है, सिर्फ पीछे. So सिर्फ पीछे है elastic, and then we get pleats on the sides, and then is it a princess line? Yes. So we have princess line का detailings. Remember जो हम वो princess blouses बनवाते हैं अपने normal tailor से. So it is the same concept. So it is called a princess line. So yeah. So the top has princess line which goes like this. So it actually helps to curve the garment and give you the shape that you want. I really like the color. Oh my god! Imagine me wearing this with those colorful earrings of mine. Oh my god! I am wearing this in my next video, guys. I am wearing this in my next video. I really like this. Before I jump into any conclusions with this one, let me just wear it and then see. And if I really like it, only then is when I will wear this in my next video. So fingers crossed.
Do I even need to say anything about this? I mean, it's pink, It's cute and girly. It has massive puff sleeves. The neckline is very flattering and it's extremely soft and hugs you at the right places. If you know what I mean. I absolutely love it. Buy it right now.
I can see something white and some floral details with some maroon tassels. Oh, this is the here and now wala kurti. Okay, I remember putting the filter because I really like the silhouettes of these. I think brands are actually taking an effort to pack the white garments the right way so that they don't get damaged, because at the end of the day, if they are damaged, the customer is going to return it and then they have to bear the overhead charges. Okay, anyway, speaking about the garment, this is another A-line top with gathers at the waist. So yeah, and I really like it because it has two holes. Or I thought it has two keyholes, लेकिन ये keyholes से ज़्यादा I feel it's like this. So you have two dories given here, so which you can tie in, and then once you tie in, it looks like two keyholes. अब वो grayscale filter on था तो मैं ज़्यादा कुछ figure out नहीं कर पा रही थी. So but I think it's still workable and I really like the neckline also. I really like that we have some color into our haul and that we have some good print here, which is floral print, which I really like. Let me just quickly wear this and then we'll see कि मुझ पे कैसा लग रहा है, and then we'll give our final verdict.
Absolutely living for the neckline and the tassels here. The silhouette is super comfy and playful. Also, the print is very nice and you cannot miss out on the lace on the hem. The sleeves are long but not uncomfortable at all. Overall, a good outfit to have.
So that's it, you guys. This was our mini haul of trendy tops that we shopped together with a grayscale filter on. Oh my god, a freaking grayscale filter on. That is crazy. And we managed to pull it off. I mean, it was a task. Trust me, it was a task. It was not easy. लेकिन बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़ा आया यार ये करने में. I mean, अगर हमने ये ग्रे स्केल फिल्टर के साथ में इतने सारे ओके या अच्छे टॉप्स मंगाए हैं, तो आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड टू सी कि अगर मैं ये वीडियो वापस करूँ विद एन इन्वर्टेड फिल्टर तो क्या रिएक्शन रहेगा और कैसा आएगा. एंड ऑल्सो गाइज, अमेजोन पे शीन वापस आ रहा है. सो व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स ऑन दैट? ओ माई गॉड, आई एम तो सुपर एक्साइटेड. सो आई एम होपिंग दैट आई कैन शॉप ऑन शीन and I can actually do a mini haul of that also. So let me know in the comments if you guys are interested in watching a Shein haul. And as I mentioned earlier that our 1-year anniversary is coming up, I am super stoked and I hope that you guys are too, and you guys are interested and you will participate in the giveaway that I will be announcing in my next video. So make sure that you stay tuned for that. And as always, if you guys like today's video, you know what to do. Please give this video a thumbs up and also comment and tell me what was your favorite top from this haul and what were the tops that you did not expect कि ऐसे आएंगे, और आपको कैसा लगा the entire concept, because I was really nervous when I did this haul or like the entire concept. But I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you really did enjoy it, then please let me know. Only then can I make the inverted filter wala video also for you guys with another brand or another e-commerce website. So I am very much excited to try inverted filter on, but it also depends on if you guys are liking and if you guys want to see me make that video on our channel. And as always, I would request you to please share this video with all of your friends and families, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys super soon. Bye.